Across the world, there are 3 species of manatee. The Amazonian and West Indian manatees have been well filmed. But in the waters of West Africa lives a shy and secretive 3rd species.
We couldn't even see them by direct observation. We have to rely only on acoustic recorder to detect their vocalization.
Conservationist Aristide Kamla has made it his life goal to conserve the African manatee. Near his home in Cameroon lies Lake Ossa, a vibrant wetland habitat supporting thousands of families and hundreds of jobs. It's also a vital refuge for the African manatee. But in recent decades, this once pristine water body has been impacted by changes to the surrounding environment. Deforestation around the lake causes erosion. The runoff from the soil contaminates the water, adding to pollutants from industrial practices upstream. This increases the nutrient levels in Lake Ossa, allowing giant salvinia, an invasive plant, to completely take over.
By forming this thick carpet on top of the water surface that prevents manatee from surfacing to breathe. And manatee, they are mammals. You need to surface every 5 minutes.
Aristide and his team at the African Marine Mammal Conservation Organization began manually removing the salvinia. But they soon realized that to tackle this giant problem, they might need a little help.
We found out that there is another method called the biological control by the means of a weaver that feeds specifically on the salvinia.
This ravenous little weevil made a huge difference.
When we started, salvinia coverage was 50% of the lake surface. Today it's brought down to less than 10%, and we are now seeing more manatee. What we've done so far is addressing the symptom. But at the root cause of this, there is water pollution.
With support from the Whitley Fund for Nature, Aristide will pioneer the use of modern technology to reduce deforestation.
We're going to use that funding to install a smart monitoring system that will detect chainsaw noises and send an alarm to the conservation service.
By tackling the deforestation and pollution, the water quality will improve. Aristide's team will also set to work with local fishers to develop sustainable fish farming practices. Aristide's vision is to expand the work to the whole water catchment and turn Lake Ossa into an ecotourism hotspot.
Now we're seeing more and more manatee, and that gives us hope.